everyone, Heather here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own fur brush. And I will be demonstrating how to use this fur brush in the Shimmer and Shine tutorial. So I just wanted to show you how to make your own brush so that you're able to do the Shimmer and Shine tutorial if you decide to do something like that. So what you need is you need to open a plain white file, and then you're going to use your brush. You're going to use your hard round brush. You want the hardness to be at 100%. You want the opacity of your brush to be at 100%, and you want your color to be full deep black. And you're just going to make a copy of this layer to begin with. And you're just going to make a bunch of different sized dots. So just go a few different sizes here. All right, so we got our few different sizes. And now what we're going to do is we're going to turn this into a brush. And we're going to go first we need to select it. So we're going to go with our quick selection tool. Let's do the magic wand tool. So there, now we've got all the white selected. So now we're just going to go select and inverse that selection so it's only on the black. And we're going to go to File. Or is it under Edit? Edit, Define Brush Preset. And I'm going to name this one Heather Getzlaf Photography Fur Brush. And we'll just hit OK. So now you can see my brush is the brush. So let's just delete this layer here, and we'll make a new one. And now you can see that I've got my fur brush made. All right, so the other thing that we want to do here is when you go up into this selection, you got all your round brushes. I'm going to go into my brushes, and I'm just going to drag and drop it into my folder here. So now I've got my own brush perfectly made and ready to go for the Shimmer and Shine tutorial. So we'll see you in those tutorials. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.